wabarakatuh. My name is Sophia Fisariatun from the Manajemen Dakwah kelas MD 3C. Korean people have four reforms for the friendly and polite attitude to other people. When you meet someone who is the odd, is obligated to give greeting and bows is from respect. For to eat, my son travel this habit shall not be broken then. Apart from greeting, you also help to talk point with other people. As well as address them as sometimes you can just call them by name because that will be considered very rude. In Korea, there is also no tradition of eating by hand. In Indonesia, it is a force to eat with your hands. Then Koreans consider it late. So when eating, make sure you use coffee sticks or spoons. There is nothing I think etiquette in Korea that is quite unique you. Which is that you are always to act even if your mouth is full of food. Must welcome drink to average. The people we have welcome you. But if you can drink alcohol, you still have to accept it. Then ask to repeat it when I'm not drinking. Don't worry about being considered. Korean people will understand how come you can drink alcohol. Describe to some YouTuber skin like a Korea star. Actually, you don't need expensive skincare. It is not by daily drink water. Your skin will develop entirely. Stay moisturizer. This is a Korean habit that must be followed. Daily Sanwa sauna house you can find easily in Korea. Even open 24 hours and allow visitors to stay for days. Sanwa horses or gambling are very popular because of the habit of Korean people who like to go trip. Daily gently using skincare, one of the marks common and men in Korea really like to treat their face with masks at night so they look fresh the next day. They usually use set masks or natural masks from fruits and vegetables. Natural nutrients in masks are good for the skin. Regular walk. Hard it is, which is still difficult for Indonesia to do. Koreans like to walk and travel by public transportation. Since like ours in every drama you watch, the habitat of walking is not just forgetting the ideal body, but also subtitres for those who are too best to access. Korean people and you for big hardworking person and given oppositely. The every working hard in South Korea is strictly cost free. So every time until late at night has become a campaign day. You can also learn from adults was 7 years before they got double license. So center mosques in South Korea with all tourist designer, especially for Muslim tourists. The reason is this mosque is is also part of the history of the development of Islam in Korea, as well as a history of tolerance in the country of Islam. Swans, Korea has a temperate climate because it is in the French Asian River region. The influence of the air mass from the Asian France is greater of the weather in South Korea than the influence of the Pacific ones. Winter lasts 3 months with the weather condition. Transportation used in South Korea namely trains in Korea are developed based on safe and all the facilities offered in it. Namely, there are 7 stations: XTX, XTX, Express Trains, XTX, Samuel ITX, Churn, Uwe, and Korea Tourist Trains. For traveling around Korea, tourists should visit the Korea first, while towards seeing all types of trains, including the express trains. City bus in Korea provides the sentence payment system can be paid in cash or sign a transportation card, such as money or cashback. City bus are distinguished by their color and route. Subway is offered in 4 major cities of Korea, namely Seoul, metropolitan area, Busan, the Coast, and the Daejeon. Subway Korea has 9 lanes whenever these color cards to make it easier for passengers. To make it even easier, you should have a subway maps. The map can be found at tourist information, or you also download it from the internet. Korean cans is most made from rice, noodles, tofu, vegetable, and meat. Traditional Korean food is known as a side dish. Namely, bihang is the same way with rice in soup or broth. Each meal comes with a good amount of blend. Kimchi is a warm food made from vegetable mainly mustard greens, radish, and cucumbers. At least 1 teaspoon of kimchi is served as a base all year round. Kimchi is also the main in various Korean recipes. Korean food usually seasoned with some oil doenjang soup such as garlic, bean, and chili soup. Korean are the world's largest consumption of garlic ahead of China, Thailand, Japan, and Vietnam, such as Spain, Italy, and Greece. Korean food is the first every season. During winter, the traditional food consumption is kimchi in various vegetables without salt in length. That is story on the bus outside the house. People prices for making Korean the highest usually daily request ke fancy. Daily culture also Korean citizen. Korean share on lake with exponential 17 million people were speaking Korea. The liquid structure, gamer, and forever and similar to Japanese. The playlist original the Devouring. Finally, it scans but to simulate the understanding from the speaking or later in the problem. Greetings, borrowing a traditional way of greeting is so Korea. Handscare are often from by me. Your left hand means first, you take out when shaking hands. My well Korean woman do not always shaking of hands, but often both. Communication style. Communication can be taken in South Korea because they don't like to say no. Saying no is considered be etiquette reverse in I. Thank you. Selamat menonton ya.